Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a smoke burner for drum, and this is a drum stand. This one is a smoke burner. We put it here. After burning it, we can put the spirit or kerosene from this so that it generates smoke. This is a adjusting wick, and the wick also is, if you buy separately, it is available with us. The drum is to be attached here. Let me show you how the drum comes out. There is one lever here. When you lift it, it moves up and down. It does not move. And there is a notch here at the bottom. I will show you. This one is a pin, and this pin will come out from this section. You can see this section is there. It will come out only when it is aligned to this section. Drum will come out, and when it brings out, just open this and put the drum here. We are putting the drum here. This is to be put inside, and then it is to be locked. This is to be locked from here. Let me show you a little bit more easily. It will go, and then it is to be done here, and then clamp this. When the burner is burnt, you can adjust the height. You can adjust the height like this as per the requirement, so that really smoke is generated. It should be close to the burner, which is almost giving smoke like this, and then it is to be rotated slowly so that the smoke is evenly, and you can lift this burner also to put the smoke all around in this paper. One paper is to be attached here, which is here. We have the paper is having, we have got the paper here, 100 pair packs, and then this is to be wrapped around, and then little burner will smoke the paper and it will become black. But when the line of this organ bath arrow, I show you the arrow. This arrow is visible now. This arrow will put a line here. This arrow is there. You see this arrow line. It will put a line of the arrow. It can be organ bath or heart chamber or any other. The line will be drawn, and then it will come out. You have to open very carefully after using it. Very carefully open this, and then very closely, slowly take it out. Then after that, you don't need to touch this part of it. Otherwise, the burner will, this smoke will be problem. It will be, you will put a hand prints, and then this is, I am putting it back. Now I can adjust as per the requirement and leave it. There is one attachment here for moving up and down. Adjust it. Please visit the website. Other videos are available of organ bath, kymograph, stimulator, all these things, and there is a heart chamber, myograph, etc. Please visit the website abronexports.com for viewing the things. You can also send us WhatsApp 9416020018. Email is abron01@gmail.com. You can share the videos, like the videos, and buy from us. Please visit the website, and thank you very much.